Let's cook some ribeyes in a cast iron skillet. You'll need 2 ribeyes, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 minced garlic cloves, some fresh thyme and rosemary, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's get started. I like to coat the ribeyes in a bit of olive oil to help create that delicious crust you get at a steakhouse. Then I season the ribeyes with salt and pepper. What do you call a retired military member who has been showered in salt and pepper? A seasoned veteran. Flip the steaks over and add the olive oil, salt, and pepper to the other side. Then let the ribeyes sit for about 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature. Next, heat a thin layer of olive oil in your cast iron skillet over medium heat. Once the skillet begins to smoke, it's time to add your ribeyes. You should hear a nice sizzle when the meat touches the surface of the skillet. Cook the steaks for 4 to 5 minutes, then rotate. Each time you rotate the steaks after 4 to 5 minutes, you should see the crust forming on one side of the steak. The crust will work its way from one side to the other as you cook. There's that golden brown crust we've been looking for. Once the crust is formed on your steaks, add the butter, garlic, rosemary, and thyme. After the butter melts, begin spooning the butter and garlic onto the steaks. Check the temperature to make sure the steak reaches your desired doneness. I like to serve the ribeyes with baked potatoes. Garnish with any remaining rosemary and thyme, and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high protein recipe videos.